why we opened up a position in Las Vegas Sands. Stay tuned. You really don't want to miss this one. Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be discussing why we opened up a position on Las Vegas Sands, ticker symbol LVS. Okay, now there's a couple of reasons that we opened it up. First of all, gambling and the reopening of casinos and people going back out and wanting to go to Las Vegas and stuff like that is an obvious reason. But for those of you that don't know, Las Vegas Sands is also the owner of the Venetian. So I think with the reopening play, and aside from that, people wanting to get out and stuff like that, I think this is going to be a very interesting play here. And I stepped in just for a swing trade. I picked up a couple of hundred shares and I picked up about 20 calls on Las Vegas Sands, and I'm going to show you what I got exactly. Remember guys, this is not financial advice, just what we're doing and giving you an idea of how you can profit or benefit from these plays, okay? And if you're not following us on Twitter, make sure you do. At Investing OG, we give out these plays, and we gave out this plays as soon as we got it. But there's another two reasons why we also got into this play. So if you look at the 3-month chart on Las Vegas Sands, you're showing here that not too long ago, back in April, it was at 63.61, guys. Since then, it's been on a steady decline, and it's gonna hit a bottom here. And there's a nice little support that I want to show you here on Webull. And if you see here on the monitor on Webull, you see that there's a big support here at this about $51 level. Okay, now there's a further support down over here at the 47.44 level, but RSI is showing that it's going up. There has to be a bounce, since there has been a decline since about March on this stock. Okay, so somewhere along the way there's going to be a nice little bounce. I'm assuming it's going to come fairly quickly. And another reason why I got into this play was because there was huge orders coming in on just flow, so I base myself a lot on flow, on orders, on the big whales coming in and scooping these calls up. So therefore I decided to open a position on LVS. LVS were to drop and go back down a little bit, I would more than welcome the opportunity, because that gives me an opportunity to lower my average to the $47-48 level and get that price down and make a bigger profit at the end of the day. This is going to be a swing trade. It might be a month, it might be a couple of weeks, but it will be a swing trade. Why did I open my position right now before it got to that strong support? Was because I seen the orders coming in. Okay, now anything can happen, but once again, I repeat myself, if the price does drop further on LVS, then we'll go ahead and add some more. Now we have a couple of different accounts, and in this account we just picked up a couple of contracts, but the contract that we were focusing on was the LVS 5250 call for September 17th, and we did 7 buys on this account, but we have other accounts that we did different buys on. Okay, so for the day today, it's currently going up right now. It's 52.33. We picked up, our average on this was about 51.70 or something like that, so we're looking pretty good. We're going to keep this, and I expect this play to head back right around the $57-56 level. At that point, I'll probably start selling a little bit, or just depending on the order flow that's coming in, I'll hold off on it. I base myself a lot on the flow, guys, a lot on movement, and a lot on momentum. Okay, thank you guys. Remember, if you found any of this information informative, please like and subscribe to the channel, and make sure you hit that like button, because that helps other people see these videos as well. Thank you guys so much, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.